This is a fellow by the name, I forgot his name, but anyway, he has a website and YouTube channel, Dreamedia, and I was curious to come in here and see some of the test demonstrations that he does on certified screens, his lineup. And from what I'm seeing right now, this is why we explained crystal clear that why we weren't interested, because the demonstrations they do, and this is supposed to be a test, these are all ambient light rejection technology screens, they're in the dark too much. This is the reason why. They're constantly in the dark. We don't like to do demonstrations in the dark because if I specialize in ambient light rejection technology, I'm going to be in the light most of the time. So what we have here is we have several different screens, and we see this a lot. We have several different screens here set up. And this demonstration, a lot of these look exactly like the same screen. It could pass with the same screen as today. I can't believe some of these screens are like $3,000 and $4,000 apart, and they really look that wow. This is what I hate about the industry. I really don't like the industry at all. That's not impressive. I automatically can tell by looking at that from the door what's going to happen. That's going to blend.